Once you've embedded the Business 100 problem-based learning information into your class and you have it all set and in a place that you know where it is and your students will be able to see it, you're going to want to make sure that you're familiar with a couple of things: the case study issues as presented, the questions that have been asked, and the basic rubric criteria. You're also going to want to have a copy of your students' information in front of you, the answer in front of you. You probably want to print it off. Might be a little bit easier to do it that way so you can evaluate it. Once you've printed off all of the information, have it in front of you, and you're ready to go, you're going to want to go to the course where the students have taken the profile. You will go slide down to Needs Grading, select the student assignment that you want to evaluate, and here you will see the answer that the student has provided to the essay questions. Typically speaking, it would look different than this. There would be 6 different answers provided there, but this is the response the student has now given you. My suggestion would be to print this off and look at it when you go in and use the rubric to grade it. Now, the rubric is located over here. So what you're going to want to see is, if you go down and evaluate and click in that box right there, you're going to want to see, you'll see a copy of the value rubric, which you can print off if you need to, and this is how you would evaluate it. You click on this box here and it would view the rubric in the window. You maximize it, and you can see here I went through earlier and evaluated this student based on the criteria for each of the 6 steps. So for define the problem, I gave the student a 3, identify strategies a 2, and all I did was, you can see how easy it is, all I did was, if I wanted to change it, I could change it to 3 right there. So all you have to do is click on this box to record the score. Propose solutions. You know what, in reading it again, I think I'm going to give her a 3 out of 4. Maybe not quite as strong. Evaluating potential solutions, maybe a 2 out of 4. Make selections for each of the criteria, and then when I am done, I'm going to hit save. What that does is that you see the box you got here that says success. You have now gotten, out of a total possible points of 1, this will automatically go through and weight the rubric scores appropriately, and you will have given this student half credit or a 50% score for that rubric. In that case, you're going to want to, from there, hit submit, and it would record to Grade Center. Remember also that once you have graded the test or graded this case study, you're going to have 2 options. You can either count it towards their grade or not. If you have clicked the box saying including Grade Center calculations when you originally set up the course, it will include it, and if you haven't, it won't. You also have the option at all times to go back and not include any given column or any given assignment in the Grade Center. So if you forget it and go back, don't worry about it. You can still take that score and not include it.